Um, do you have any published stuff, any portfolio, anything like that? Stuff you can show us? Ah, don't be shy. I mean, I'm showing off my old stuff all the time, and go here. Back, not into configuration. View block. That's what I wanted. Oh, thank you, Mia. Give me a second. I want to have a look at this, and then I can show you more about tell you more about my project. Hey, that looks good. And with lighting. Nice. Cool character. Thank you for the follow, Ryu. Oh, modular building pieces. Nice. Awesome tree. Both of them. Some trees. Whoa. Knives on the tree. Yeah, at some point I need to have a look at that. Creating other stuff. Just started with creating clothing, so it's not much for me yet. But now I had someone asking about Ryu asked about the project. The project is an exploration adventure game, and if I change the scene, let's save this because we apparently changed something. It all started like the the text already said. It was a role-playing session, and I started building the interior of a brewery, and then built the overworld, and kind of grew from there. And once this scene loads up, which takes a moment, okay, it's there, but this hasn't updated yet. Yay. Okay, here we go. Here we have the overworld map, and you start around here. Here we have a village that you can explore, and back there's the brewery that we can jump into to the interior level I created. Let's jump into game. No, I didn't create it with World Machine. I created that with different stamps, different height maps inside Unity itself, with the help of the plugin called Gaia. Let's maximize that and play. It's easier to see. And let's also start somewhere else. Okay. Yes, I know. But I didn't do it that way. I used height maps they provided with Gaia and combined them to the rough layout I wanted, and then did a lot of stuff to it after that, like these kind of cliffs here and other stuff that you will see in a moment. But the game is in first person. Can walk around here, have an inventory. I can talk to people, and in most cases I have different options, but this was just a simple test dialogue, but as a result of the dialogue he gave me some coins. And if I run out here, I have these signs, and if I focus them, then they are highlighted. Right click gives me information about that. Left click lets me use them. In this case, it teleports me into the village. And if I go here, let's have a look at this strange looking cube. Yes, I'm making this all on my own. And right click gives me information about the object I'm highlighting, and this is supposed to be some kind of way shrine that I need to create at some point, but I still have the placeholder cube in here. Yeah, definitely yes, but the problem is I can't pay you anything because I'm completely broke. That's why I'm working on it alone. And if I left click on it, I also get text feedback at the moment. But in the future you will get sound feedback, particle effect, or any other thing that you can kind of get feedback from different stuff. Yes, definitely. Okay. Thank you. The thing is, needs to be the same style, the same quality. That's why I bought all my assets that I have in here, or the houses I didn't create myself. They're all bought from one asset store provider. It's all 3D Forge assets. And if you have a look at the stuff that 3D Forge created and can use the same style, then that's awesome. No, I don't. I could install it, but I'm not using it normally. I'm more of a Skype user myself. Because TeamSpeak was a bit strange for me at some points and didn't use it that much. There should be some guards patrolling around here. Oh. They're stuck against each other again. Yeah, that's the awesome behavior tree system I'm using. It's doing that. Yay! Come on. Be nice. Okay. Now you're free? Okay, awesome. Yeah, the AI system I'm using is a bit strange sometimes. I managed to get them to avoid static objects, but not moving objects. The style is kind of medieval, European medieval, with a few fantasy elements basically, but not sure about the right combinations. At the moment I have a mixture of different styles for the roofs and different house styles, and I need to change that at some point. Yeah, I'm using what's called Rain AI, and the documentation is not up to date, and all the tutorials I followed do not help me with anything I'm doing at the moment. Yeah, the textures need to work together. That's important. And some of the textures here I do not really like, but I haven't done anything to change them yet, but I just wanted to get something here as kind of so there's a village there.